Good afternoon, this is Giuliano from Giuliano's Garage Auto Sales. I specialize in Chevy and GMC, trucks and SUVs, the GMT800 Authority down here in Florida. I'm based down here in Orlando, Florida, and today I have a beautiful truck for you here. It's a one of the most sought after trucks in America. You know what it is. If you follow the GMT800 market, you know what I'm talking about. It's a GMC Sierra 4x4 Z71 crew cab. So this truck is a silver birch metallic. It's a 2005 with a 5.3. Beautiful truck. I'm gonna do my quick walk around, and as always I'm gonna show you everything that I find with the truck. We do a close-up on it. Like I said, I'm based down here in Orlando, Florida. I ship all my trucks to anywhere in the US. You just go to my website, www.julianosgarage.com. It's www.julianosgarage.com, and my Instagram is at Juliano's Garage USA, and hit me up. For every truck that I have listed for sale, I have Carfax, more pictures, more information, the work that's been done to the trucks, if any, and my phone number is there too. So let's get started. Very nice set of tires. The wheels are very nice, original wheels. This truck is all original, unmolested. Tires are really good, and as always, there's no rust in this truck. Let me start with the underneath of the truck for my northern customers. All right, very nice truck, very straight body. I didn't see many flaws with this truck, to be honest with you. Hood, roof, really nice. If you see something that I don't point out, just let me know. Sometimes I miss stuff. This bumper, it's a little pushed in a little bit here. Previous owner probably touched something. There's a small dent here, and a very small one here too. This truck comes with a roll and lock bed cover. Very nice, it's lockable. Original mats, original lights, spray in bed liner. I think we have a key for it too. Very straight body. Let me do a close up here. One tiny door ding here, very small. Can almost not see it. No scratches that I could find on the truck. All four tires are very nice. Some scratches here in the bumper. Like I said, previous owner probably touched something or somebody with this. Very small. Yeah, that's about it. Like very tiny paint chip here. Some scratches here. A paint chip here. Sorry about my finger. Gotta wash my hands before I do the video, I guess. One small paint chip here. And let's go to the interior. The cool thing about this truck is it's a SLT3 with heated seats. Let me turn it on. Heated seats, power everything, of course, power folding mirrors, everything works. The windows, they all work. The heated seats, they work. The seats, very nice condition on the seat, no tears with the exception of this little corner here. Original seat, minimum to no wear on the steering wheel. No cracks in the dash. Original radio, 6 CD changer. This one here, I think we do have XM. Yeah. And I do offer 3 months free of XM when you buy a truck from me. Very clean cup holders. 120,000 miles, 395 on the clock. Original miles. Bose sound system. And a DVD. DVD works. Let me turn it on. Very nice door panel. One tiny little accident here. Very clean carpets. Very, very clean truck. There you go. DVD works just fine. Very nice back seat. No tears or anything. Pretty clean underneath. Clean cup holders. Original headliner in great shape. This is originally a California truck, and it migrated to Florida. Like half of the population of California, I guess, nowadays. Very, very nice truck. Like I said, if you're interested in this truck, just let me know as soon as possible. You gotta be really quick if you want to grab this truck, because most sought after truck in America. Very nice panel here too. Pretty clean truck. No major stains or anything. No tears in the seats. Pretty clean underneath. Everything's here. Very nice truck. And a cool thing, a DVD. Some of these trucks, you know, they would, if they come with a DVD, they come with a sunroof, but it's not a rule. It's just people that sometimes they opt to have the sunroof and the DVD. I don't like sunroof in Florida. It gets too hot. Very nice carpets here too. Seat is amazing. No tears. Like I said, this is a California truck. No accidents. From California, you went to spend some time in North Carolina and then Florida. This is a local truck for me here. It's been in Florida for a long time. Owner's manual. Everything is here. And this is the part of the video that you want to pause to show the RPO codes. All the specs. LM7, GU6 rear end with a G80 and Z71. Very, very nice truck. Heated seats on the passenger. It works just fine. Everything works in this truck. I did not see any oil leaks of any kind. We got fresh oil change. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Very clean truck. No rust. Let me show you the motor. It's a 5.3. Very quiet motor. This truck runs and drives amazing. Got a little cooling making a little noise here. I think it's because you got a little wet. It'll go away. Very clean motor, very quiet. We did an oil change on this truck. Replaced an O2 sensor. We checked the brakes. Everything looks fine. I drove around. Truck drives and runs really nice. So again, if you're interested in this truck, you gotta act really, really fast. Usually these trucks, when I have them, sometimes I already have people lined up waiting for them. They're getting more and more expensive on my side and your side too. You gotta act quick if you want to buy this truck. Go to julianosgarage.com. That's my website. My phone number is going to be there. I specialize in the GMT800. This is the GMT800 Authority down here in Florida. My Instagram is Julianos Garage USA. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you like the GMT800 platform like I do. That's all I do. That's all I drive. I wouldn't drive anything else. Let me show you my daily driver real quick. It's my daily driver. This truck used to be mine. 2.5 years ago, 3 years ago, I sold it to a customer, and the customer called me after 2 years and said that he wanted to sell it back. He actually said that he wanted to sell the truck if I could help him sell it. I went ahead and bought it because this is was my favorite truck of all times. It's just a 2006 Silverado LT with the LT3 package, 174,000 miles. You know, it's not a low mile truck or anything, but this is the best truck that I ever had. Anyway, if you like the GMT800 content and you're in the market for a very nice GMT800 Z71 4x4, let me know. julianosgarage.com. Thank you very much for watching.